Yeah, say, hi, Miss Maldonado.
Hi, Miss Maldonado.
I got my scavenger hunt stuff from the kitchen. Look at your kitchen words. And there's all her stuff she went and got. Yeah, it's in there. It's just inside if you want to open it up. I piled it all up so we could get it all in here. But say what they are and spell them.
T-L-A-T-E play.
You know that letter. You know it. What? Wait, say it again. What is it?
K-N-I-S-E.
What is it? What is it?
Nice.
Good job. Okay, what's the next one? Excuse you, Jessie. Spell it out.
F-O. This is so tricky for me.
It is tricky, I know. You're gonna get it though. Spell the letters out.
F-R.
You forgot the O. F-O-R.
K.
What is it?
Fork.
Okay, next one. Next one, boo-boo. Spell it and say what it is.
P-O. F.
That's not an F. It looks like an F, but it's a T. Because how would that F be at the end of the word of what that picture is? What is that picture? Look at the picture. What is that picture right there? What is that? What is this picture right here?
J.
No, up. Let me look up. Look up at me, mommy. What is this picture? Huh? What is that picture though?
Pin.
It's a pot. So there's no F on pot. Hey, we're not done. We got to do the next 3. We got 4 left to go.
And then we.
Come on, we're not finished. Get your bowl. Get your paper. And what's the next one in line?
Well, we didn't do this.
Well, we're gonna do those next. We can't do them all at once. We got to do them one at a time.
We have to do 1, 2.
So what's the next one? No, we just did that one. What's the next one? Okay, you can do that one.
P. N. S.
Pan. Good job. Say the letter.
O. So tricky for me.
You can do it, Mommy. What is that letter? What is that letter?
W.
Right.
L.
What N? What is that?
Ball.
Good job. The next one's really long, but let's do it. Ready? You ready to do the next one? What's the next one? Okay. Spell it out. Say the letters of what it is. Jessie, come on, pay attention, Mama. Okay, what is that? You don't want to say the letters out loud? Say them out loud.
Something is in here first.
Okay. Ready?
Read it.
Come on. Spell it out.
N. A.
You're going to be silly. That's fine.
A. P. K. I. N.
What is it?
Napkin.
Okay, good job. Next one.
S. P. O. O.
Yeah, that's long, but that was an easy one.
C. N. O.
Jesse, come on. You know those letters. Stop being silly. What is that letter? The first letter, what is it? First letter. First letter. What is it? And that's a letter what? What is the first letter? I don't want you to sound it out. I want you to tell me too. You can do both. What is the letter called?
C.
Okay. What's that letter called?
U.
Okay. What's that letter called?
P.
Good job.
Cup.
Okay. Thank you. All right. Say bye. We'll do
Bye
another
bye.
one.